Things you'll regret doing in Asia. Traveling to Asia? Great, we're sure you will love it. Hope you have memorized all the don'ts while packing. What's that look? Of course, there are things you will regret doing in Asia. Want us to spill the beans for you? Let's have a look at things you'll regret doing in Asia. Respect the religions. Remember, when you're in Asia, respecting local religions is a must. Whether it's Buddhism, Islam, or any other religion, you must treat them with the same respect you'd want for your own beliefs. Religion is deeply rooted in people's lives here. Avoid climbing on sacred monuments and, for Buddhists, always position yourself below the Buddha statues. Let's travel thoughtfully. Leave your shoes outside sacred places. In many Asian countries, it's considered disrespectful to wear shoes inside sacred places. This custom is deeply rooted in maintaining the purity and sanctity of the space. When you visit temples or religious sites, always look for signs or follow the lead of locals by removing your shoes before entering. Mind your public displays of affection, PDA. Asian countries tend to be more reserved when it comes to public affection. Even if you perceive things differently, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Holding hands, sure, that's generally okay. But maybe keep those long cuddles and kisses private. It's all about respecting local customs and comfort levels. Keep your valuables hidden. Asia is gorgeous, but like everywhere, there are those looking for an easy grab. That new iPhone? It's best not to flash it around. Tuck it safely away when not in use, and always be aware of its location. You wouldn't want to misplace those precious travel memories. Mind your feet. In Buddhist culture, the feet are considered the lowest part of the body. Pointing them at someone is seen as highly disrespectful. So, be mindful when you're relaxing. Keep those feet down and avoid directing them at others. Heads are off limits. Many countries in Asia have a significant Buddhist population. In this culture, the head is revered. It's best to refrain from touching anyone's head, especially if you don't know them well, to avoid causing any discomfort or offense. Steer clear of drugs. This might sound like general advice, but it's especially vital in Southeast Asia. Engaging with drugs here can lead to severe consequences, from hefty fines and jail time to even more severe penalties. It's just not worth the risk, is it? Dress respectfully. When visiting temples or other sacred sites in Asia, your attire matters. It's essential to cover up and dress modestly, respecting cultural and religious norms. Sleeveless tops, short skirts, or shorts might be seen as disrespectful. When in doubt, opt for longer, more conservative clothing to show respect for local customs and beliefs. It's time for some bonus traveling tips. Packing too light. Before you start packing, here's a tip: Asia is a shopper's paradise. If you pack to the brim, you'll soon regret it. There are endless shopping opportunities waiting, from vibrant markets to chic boutiques. And while you're at it, sharpen those haggling skills. Over-planning your trip. We all love a well-planned itinerary, but in Asia, it's crucial to stay flexible. Many travelers find that their initial plans might need adjustments upon arriving at their destinations. You'll often find better deals and tips once you're there. So, don't stick too tightly to your plans. Forgetting a power backup. If you think you can always rely on a constant power supply in Asia, think again. Blackouts are common and can last hours. Plus, charging devices might take way longer than you're used to. Want a lifesaver? Carry a power bank. It saves you from dead phones and cameras multiple times. And hey, pack a torch, too. It's a game changer during unexpected blackouts. Neglecting weather research. Sure, we all check the weather. But in Asia, it's not just about knowing if it'll rain or shine. Weather varies drastically even within countries. Always do a deep dive into the weather patterns of specific regions you're planning to visit. Underestimating hydration needs. Asia's diverse climates and all the fun activities can really make you thirsty. And just drinking water might not always cut it. To truly enjoy your time in Asia, it's essential to stay well hydrated. Don't let dehydration sneak up on you. Keep these in mind, and you'll be set for a memorable journey across Asia. Did your friends not tell you to choose 7 Seas Holidays to make your trip to Asia a breeze? Visit our website now and check out our exciting new offers before the discount ends.